But Charlie, how does this not fit the pattern of what we talk about when it comes to kids and bullies? I think it's one and the same, right?
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Ohio beginning at 9:45 a.m. and ending at 10:45 a.m. This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to the emergency over the other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. This is only a test.
About state public buildings. It happens all the time. How did churches who set up shop in a public school get away with it? Why? They're renting the space. They're renting the space. The school isn't condoning religion. They're renting the space on a weekend. That's what they're doing. And you have to be a tool not to say that. But, and I'm not saying this is just, hey, this Democrat, look at these evil Democrats. That's not what it's about. If there are a case where Republicans are doing this, I call them out too. It's the same thing. And so kids, I think, we talk about impacting the kids. It's me and you that are doing this. I mean, it's these political idiots out there, their entire lives are trying to figure out how to get their guy or girl elected. Because everyone else is evil. We polarize it and we have poisoned the well so much that you can't even have a function like this get off the ground without fear of just innocent people getting caught. And for the political operatives, for the idiots that are doing this, they don't care. You are the enemy, and I am the righteous. Democrats are saying that about Republicans, and for a long time, Republicans have said that about them. It's disgusting behavior is what it is. We ought to call it off for what it is. I think the Republican women of Warren County ought to have their train ride and do it and be protected from it.
With timely warnings and emergency information. If there's been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to emergency service and other stations in your area. This is just a minor emergency alert system. No action is needed. This is only a test.
And for him, you'll find a great selection of
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Ohio beginning at 9:45 a.m. and ending at 10:45 a.m. This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information